Last night, panic broke out in central Paris near the scene of one of Friday's attacks, but it was soon declared a false alarm by the police. Thousands of people had gathered in mourning and solidarity, and then there was some panic with people rushing out onto the streets, others rushing into cafes and restaurants and hiding under tables.
We were right here in this cafe charging our batteries. Now this cafe has been evacuated and shut down. Just a while ago it was completely packed with people. A lot of people had been coming to the Republic Square, which is that a 30-second walk just across over here. It's dark now, but it was packed with people coming to pay tributes, and all of a sudden, where we were sitting and charging our batteries at the table, a huge crowd just rushed into the cafe, and everyone started going down under the tables and lying flat on the ground, and the owners of the cafe then started herding people into a dark space on an upper floor, and the lights were turned out and people were asked to be quiet and stay there. Now for the moment the streets have been blocked. There are more police cars coming in, and this was a very busy square. Just a while ago we were wondering whether we should walk to where we have to go next, or should we try to take a taxi, because the traffic was getting very heavy in this square. In the evening the traffic had been building up. A lot of people had been streaming all over these pavements going towards the square to offer bouquets and to light candles and put up posters and things like that. A lot of foreign media was also streaming into this square because this was a spontaneous sort of tribute that was happening of people coming over here. Right now things have calmed down, but the traffic has been stopped. We are seeing that the square is now practically empty. We are going to go closer and take a look at what's happening. Clearly shows that there is a sense of panic, and even though people had been saying that they want to come back to normal, come out in the streets, the tension obviously is lingering, and people obviously are high strung now. Whether this was just a panic attack because something happened, still unclear, but people being asked to leave now, at least by the people in the cafes and things like that. The police of course still haven't spoken to anybody, but there's a car that's just come over here and it's blocked the traffic. And we also saw some of the cars from the window where we were hiding. We saw that some of the cars were doing a U-turn and going back. So clearly these attacks in the few days we've been talking non-stop about them, and there seems to be this kind of tension that will probably build up after this panic alarm that was raised over here at the Place de la République, despite the fact that Parisians have non-stop been saying that the French spirit is not to be afraid even if they are sad. In Paris, with Rahul Venkit, Nupur Tiwari for NDTV.